Today, we will continue our journey into another fascinating life story, exploring another mysterious and unique creature. They go through endless cycles of time, remaining untouched by the erosion of flowing years. This is the protagonist we are going to introduce next, the immortal jellyfish. The immortal jellyfish is hailed by biologists as the only organism in the world with the ability of biological immortality. Despite its small size, the astonishing life journey of these creatures is enough to leave us amazed. This small jellyfish possesses an astonishing ability. When it faces harm or survival pressures, it can revert back to its initial life stage through a process called transdifferentiation and then begin its growth again. Just imagine, if humans had such a capability, would we be able to rejuvenate like this jellyfish, never aging and returning to our youth? Unfortunately, the transdifferentiation process of the immortal jellyfish is not a simple reversal of time. During this process, some of their cells regress to a more primitive state and then differentiate into entirely new cell types. It is precisely this flexible life process that allows the jellyfish to completely escape the damage of aging and injuries when facing survival pressures. And theoretically, it can continue this cycle indefinitely. However, humans cannot directly replicate this process. Although we cannot reverse the process of life like the immortal jellyfish, it does not mean that we cannot gain insights from it. For example, the regenerative ability and resilience of life might be harnessed and utilized. Moreover, understanding this mechanism, particularly the principles of cell regression and rate differentiation, could potentially lead to significant breakthroughs in medical research for humans, especially in the field of stem cell research. On the other hand, the survival strategy of the immortal jellyfish is also worthy of profound reflection. Instead of confronting the environment to ensure its survival, it achieves continuity of life through harmonious symbiosis with the environment and adapting flexibly to changes in its surroundings. This is also an important lesson for us humans. Longevity is not just about prolonging life, but it also requires us to learn how to adapt to the environment. Just as the slow metabolic rate of the Greenland shark reveals the endurance of life, the transdifferentiation process of the immortal jellyfish unveils the resilience of life. Therefore, even though we cannot return to the starting point of life like the immortal jellyfish, studying them will help us understand the mysteries of life and explore possibilities for extending human life someday in the future. Through research in the transdifferentiation process of the immortal jellyfish, we may uncover the secrets to human longevity or achieve significant breakthroughs in the field of regenerative medicine. What is more important is that their existence reminds us that longevity is not just about prolonging life, but also about ensuring the quality of life and harmonious symbiosis with the environment.
Join Save Human Action Organization and devote ourselves to the mighty torrent of saving human beings.